today I'm going to share the absolute best banana pudding recipe. Girl. So to start this recipe off, you're going to beat together some vanilla pudding and some cold milk. Now we're going to go ahead and set that aside, and in a separate bowl I have some room temp cream cheese, and I'm going to add some sweetened condensed milk, and I'm going to blend these together until they're silky smooth. Next, I'm going to fold in some Cool Whip. Everyone loved this banana pudding. I've never had it this way, but it's absolutely delicious, you guys. So now it's time to combine the two. You want to use your cake mixer to get it nice and smooth. So now it's time to layer. You can use whatever dish you want to use. I found this cute little trifle bowl thing at the Goodwill and I absolutely adored it, so I got it. I thought it would be really pretty with banana pudding in it. So you're going to go ahead and put a layer of cookies, a layer of bananas, and then a layer of your pudding mixture. And then we're going to simply repeat. And to top it off, I added some crushed cookies. You guys, once you try this banana pudding recipe, you'll never use another one. It's that good. Yum.